What's up, guys? Shabazz Stories here.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Thank you. A little blurry, man. It's what, 7 in the morning? Yo, people at school.
Nigga, what the shit is wrong with this?
Why are you cursing?
Dude, do you not see what's happening here? This thing is literally
fault. I forgot school. Wow, okay. It's 7 in the morning, and what are we doing? We're about to go what?
I'm about to go drop off my stuff.
Where?
Oh my god. It's at the storage unit. That's why I wanted to leave early, because we gotta pick it up.
We gotta go drop off my brother's stuff to his apartment in New York. So,
This thing is so doo-doo.
I think it's broken.
Of course it's broken.
I really woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning to go to school, bro. That's crazy. I'm not really much of a morning person. Kinda hate mornings. Gotta buckle up, you know what I'm saying? You see the fit for the day, somewhat. But yeah, we're getting on the road right now, so I'll get back to you guys when something starts to happen. This doesn't have a aux cord, does it? It's gonna be a
Continue
long ride.
0.5 miles, then turn left onto I-91 South.
Thank you. It's gonna be a long ride.
Continue 0.4 miles, then turn left onto I-91 South.
What's up, guys? So it's currently it's 11. We just pretty much got here, picking up his stuff at the storage unit, or grabbing it, or moving inside this car right here. It's a little blurry. Grab his furniture, move it in here. What do I get myself into? He's in the bathroom right now, so we gotta wait for that.
Ready?
Oh, you're right there. All right.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do this. I'm not trying to get a copyright, goddamn it. Why do they keep doing this shit, man? Why do they play the music right when we get in here, goddamn? There we go. And everything is secured. Woo! We got all this stuff right here, and then we got the bed on top. You see that knot? That not work? That's me right there, man. That's me. That's me. So we gotta move all this stuff to his new apartment and do this thing all over again. So I'm gonna get to y'all when we get. I like a thug, right? I'm gonna get to y'all when we get to the apartment, all right? Alright guys, so we finished moving everything out. I'm not gonna show y'all the room. I'm not even gonna be here because I'm gonna be in college by the time my brother moves in.
I can do a 360 for you. You know, room rental if you want me to. No, you good? No?
I'm tired.
Okay. No, I meant when I'm done. Do you want me to send you a video?
Sure. Yeah, sure. I'll take some pictures real quick.
Oh yeah, you want pictures out here, right?
Yeah. And after that, about to head home and call it a day. It's been very long. I have to go do more work. So I'll get back to you guys when I get back to the hub, back to the crib. Look at New York. New York's so nice, man. Nice scenery. But yeah.
Please drive to highlighted route.
She always interrupts me. I don't understand why, but it's okay. Alright, that's the end of the video, guys. There ain't much more content for me to put up, so pretty much over with that. I looked at the video while I was editing and only realized I had 6 minutes, so I'm gonna just kind of sit here and distract you guys. You wanna say something to the people, Doobie? You just wanna sit there? I guess that's the end of the video, so make sure you guys like, subscribe. It's a pretty slow day today, so I'm gonna need that. It's gonna be a short video. That's it.